Alright, welcome to Collector's Lobby. My name is Miguel, and today we're going to be opening some loose packs. I have Unbroken Bonds, Sun and Moon's Unified Minds, 3 Darkness Ablaze packs, 1, 2, 3, Burning Shadows, and Evolutions. So let's get into it. First one, let's start with Unified Bonds. Alright, so well, we know it's gonna be a common. Well, not a common, but we know we didn't get a hollow. So first we got Energy, Layeron, Green's Exploration. Ooh, Wartortle. I've always been a big fan of Wartortle. He's one of my favorite Pokemon. Love the art on that one. It's great. Drowsy, just chilling, you know. Pikachu. Can't go wrong with Pikachu. Grubbin. Ghastly. Wigar. A reverse hollows Welder. Welder's welding, you know. Oh, Gengar. You know what? Not a hollow, nothing, no GX, nothing special, but I'm so happy I got this because Gengar is my favorite Pokemon, so this is going to my PC. So I'm actually really happy about that. I didn't get a hollow, nothing crazy. Alright, Unified Minds. Let's see what we get in this one. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire Energy. Lapras. Chilling, got Misty in the back. Karate Belt. Grimsley, Drillbur, Dweeble, Pidove, looking adorable. Pidove, just chilling. Muna, Pikachu, another Pikachu in this one. Sneasels are reverse hollow, and our rare is Dragonite. Again, not a hollow, but a card I'm glad to get because who doesn't love Dragonite, you know? You go right there next to Gengar. Next up, Darkness Ablaze. Let me rip that on camera so you guys don't think. One, two, three, four. Dark Energy. Dedenne. I don't know how to say that name. Vibrava. Corvisquire. Carablast. Meltan. Bounsweet. Love this one. Love those like Play-Doh looking ones. They're awesome. Marini. Again, I love this art style. I think I talked about it in the last one. Just the artistic style on that one's really good. Awesome. Purloin. Our reverse shadow is Billowing Smoke, and our rare is Holographic Blaziken. I literally just pulled this in my last video on the Elite Trainer box, and if you guys seen that video, you've seen that one. Again, I love the hollow on this one. Wish I would have gotten something different, something new, but you know what? It is what it is. That's just how the pool gods are, you know. Oh, that card's kind of beat up in the back. I don't know if you can see it right here. We'll see what it is, though. Water Energy. Steenie. Ferret. Yellhorn. Team Yell, you know. They got the horns. Gothita. I love this card. It's nice. Cutie. Little cutie. Nickit. You know, I don't know if I'm saying that right. Shelmet. Shell in a helmet. Get it? Shelmet. You guys seen these probably before. Larvitar. Grimer. Oh, reverse hollow Yellhorn. And our rare is... You gotta be kidding me. Again, I got this in the Elite Trainer box. Oh my god. What are the chances of that? Of pulling the same stuff, man? What am I gonna pull in this one then? A reverse Lugia. One, two, three, four. Steel Energy. Spike Muff. Cape of Toughness. You know what I mean? Gotta get that toughness up. Brava. Golett. Feebas. Purloin. Hippopotas. Sentret. Our reverse hollow is Clang, sorry. And our rare is Dresselt. So nothing crazy. You know, I've yet to pull a VMAX or a full art in here. Burning Shadows. And we're just gonna get into these because I don't know the trick on these. Or let me see. I want to say it's 3 on the Burning Shadows. Or is it 4? I mean, I guess we'll find out right now. Okay, it is 4. Fairy Energy. Electric. Guzma. Soul Rock. Pansage. Krogunk. Pikachu. Panpour. Cutiefly. Rhyhorn reverse hollow, and our rare is holographic Porygon Z. I'm not mad about that. Another hollow. At least there's a new one, something I haven't pulled before. Well, considering I've never opened a pack of these before. Nice little hollow Porygon Z. Let's put that right there. Last up, evolutions. Charizard? Maybe, probably not. You know, we're just gonna get into it. Ponyta, Doduo, sorry. Staryu again. I regret not getting a box of these because the nostalgia is real and I love these seals. Charmander, a reverse hollow. Let's back it up real quick. Nostalgia. Ooh, love it. Either way, reverse hollow is energy, and our rare is Dugtrio. You hate to see it. And then we'll finish it off with Misty Determination, a Poliwhirl, a Revive, and that is it. That is all for today. Thank you for tuning in, and make sure to come back to see another openings. Thank you so much. Have a good day.